Hello everyone and welcome back to the cooking stories. In today's video we are going to see how to make restaurant style chicken masala curry. So let's begin with the recipe. For this recipe you need around 300 grams of chicken. Let us start by marinating the chicken. Wash the chicken well and then add 1 cup of curd. 1.5 tablespoon of ginger, garlic and green chilli paste. Half a tablespoon of lemon juice. Some salt to taste. 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander leaves. Mix everything well and keep the chicken aside. Heat a pan and add about 4 tablespoons of oil. 2 medium onions finely chopped. Saute the onions until golden brown. The onions are done. Now let's add the tomato puree. So here I have made a tomato puree out of 2 medium-sized tomatoes. Mix well and cook the puree for about 2 minutes. And after that add in half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, some salt to taste, 1.5 teaspoons of garam masala powder, 1.5 teaspoons of cumin powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder. Mix everything well. Now add in the marinated chicken. Give everything a good mix. The chicken is well combined with the masala. Cover and cook the chicken. Keep stirring after 5 to 10 minutes. You can add water to the chicken to adjust the consistency as per your choice. So I'll be adding 1/4 cup of water in order to adjust the consistency. You can increase or decrease the quantity. I'm covering and cooking the chicken for one last time. The chicken is cooked and the gravy is ready. Adding chopped coriander leaves, mixing well, and tasty chicken masala curry is ready. Serve it hot with naan, roti, whatever you like. I hope you like this recipe. Do give it a try. Like, share and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. I'll see you all in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.